Want to start working out at home but don't know where to start? You're in the right place. This comprehensive guide is designed specifically for beginners, covering workouts for every important section of your body from neck to legs. These exercises are unisex and can be done by anyone. We'll walk you through each exercise, provide a weekly routine, and even explain the science behind it. You'll learn how to kickstart your fitness journey with just 15 to 20 minutes per day, increase your reps over time, and even enjoy 2 rest days every week. But before we start, here are 4 basic rules of workouts. First, exercise on an empty stomach or at least 3 hours after your last meal. If possible, try and work out at the same time each day. This will help develop discipline and consistency faster. Second, wear clothes you are comfortable in. Third, do some stretches before starting your workout. This will help improve flexibility and reduce the risk of injury massively. Finally, fourth, stop the moment you feel any discomfort. Remember, the idea is not to have aches and pains, but to incorporate a fitness regime into your daily routine slowly. All right, let's dive in. We will work out on days 1 to 3 and then days 5 and 6. Day 4 and day 7 will be rest days. Kickstart your workout on all the 5 days with gentle neck exercises. Let's begin with neck tilts. Simply tilt your head from side to side as if you're trying to touch your shoulder with your ear. But remember, don't raise your shoulder. This exercise stretches and strengthens the muscles on the sides of your neck. Do 10 reps for each side of the neck. Next, we have neck rotations. Imagine your neck as the hand of a clock, slowly ticking from 1 hour to the next. This helps to improve the flexibility of your neck muscles. Do the rotations 10 times clockwise and then 10 times anti-clockwise. Lastly, neck stretches. Extend your neck forward, backward and side to side. It's like you're a graceful swan stretching its neck in every direction. Complete 10 sets of all 4 movements, forward, backward, left and right sides. These exercises are crucial in improving your posture and reducing neck pain. They keep your neck muscles flexible and strong, which prevents strains and injuries. Moving on to upper body exercises, this section will focus on chest, shoulder, upper back, biceps and triceps. Let's dive into the world of push-ups, shoulder shrugs, bicep curls and tricep dips. These exercises are designed to target and strengthen your upper body, improving your overall physical strength and endurance. You can start by doing these exercises on day 1 and day 5 every week. Start with push-ups, a classic but effective exercise. This workout engages the chest, shoulders, upper back and triceps, making it a great all-around upper body exercise. Begin with your hands shoulder width apart, keeping your body in a straight line. Lower your body until your chest nearly touches the floor, then push yourself back up. Start with 5 to 10 reps and gradually increase as your strength improves. Next, we have shoulder shrugs, a simple but powerful exercise to strengthen and tone your shoulders. Simply stand straight with your feet shoulder width apart. Hold weights in both hands and raise your shoulders towards your ears. Hold for a few seconds, then lower back down. Start with 10 reps and increase as you become stronger. If you don't have weights at home, you can use anything from your home as a makeshift weight. Start with a weight you are comfortable with and gradually increase once you feel it has started to feel light. Moving on to bicep curls, an essential workout for your biceps. Hold weights in both hands with your palms facing forward, keeping your elbows close to your body. Curl the weights towards your shoulders, then slowly lower them back down. Begin with 10 reps and increase the number as your bicep strength improves. Lastly, we have tricep dips, a fantastic exercise for strengthening your triceps and upper back. Sit on a bench or chair, place your hands next to your hips, and extend your legs out in front of you. Lower your body by bending your elbows until they're at about a 90-degree angle, then push yourself back up. Start with 5 to 10 reps and increase as you become stronger. These exercises, when performed correctly and consistently, can greatly improve your upper body strength. They can make everyday tasks easier, from carrying groceries to lifting heavy items. Moreover, they can enhance your posture, making you stand taller and more confident. Remember, the key to any successful workout routine is consistency and progression. Start slow, increase gradually, and always listen to your body. It's not about how many reps you can do, but about doing each rep correctly and safely. Now let's dive into the core of the matter. Your abs. This is the hub of your body, the epicenter of your strength. Core strength is not just about achieving that enviable six-pack, but it's also about enhancing your balance, stability, and overall fitness. Focus on your core on days 2 and 6. Consider the classic exercise plank, the quintessential core workout. They're not just about gritting your teeth and holding on, but about engaging your entire body, from your shoulders to your toes. Start with whatever time you can hold it, but do it 3 times, and then slowly increase. Then we have sit-ups, a classic that targets your abdominal muscles. Remember, it's not about speed, but about control and precision. Start with 2 sets of 10 reps. And let's not forget leg raises, a brilliant way to engage both your lower abs and hip flexors. Increasing your repetitions gradually over time will help you build strength without straining your muscles. So start slow with 2 sets of 15 reps for each leg. Be consistent and listen to your body. These core exercises are not just about getting a six-pack, but about improving your overall health and fitness. Lastly, let's work those legs. Days 3 and 6 will be the leg days. Our lower body is the foundation of our physical strength and stability. It not only supports our upper body, but also plays a vital role in our mobility. Let's kick things off with squats, a classic lower body exercise. Squats engage your quadriceps, hamstrings and glutes. They're like a one-stop shop for your legs. Start with your feet hip-width apart, lower your body as if you're about to sit on a chair, and then push yourself back up. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to start with. But if you feel discomfort, stop there and slowly increase to 3 sets in a few weeks. Moving on to lunges, an excellent exercise for working your thighs and glutes. Stand tall, take a step forward with one foot and lower your body until your front knee is at a 90-degree angle. Push back up and repeat with the other leg. Again, aim for 3 sets of 10 on each leg, but listen to your body and stop the moment there is any discomfort. Finally, let's look at calf raises. They're straightforward but incredibly effective in strengthening your calves. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, rise onto your toes, hold for a second, and then lower yourself back down. Try doing 3 sets of 15 if you can. These exercises not only strengthen your legs, but also improve your mobility and boost your overall fitness. And there you have it, a full body workout routine you can do from home. Once more, remember that the key to success is consistency and patience. So, to summarize, we do neck exercises on all 5 days. In addition, day 1 is upper body, day 2 is core, day 3 is legs, day 4 is a rest day, day 5 is again upper body, and finally day 6 will end the week with both core and legs, as day 7 will be a rest day again. So, are you ready to take the first step towards a healthier lifestyle? Remember, the key to achieving your fitness goals is consistency. It's about making this routine a part of your daily life. Each exercise mentioned in this video plays a crucial role in your overall fitness. Don't be discouraged if you can only do a few reps initially. It's all about progress, not perfection. As you keep up with the routine, you'll notice that you're able to do more reps. And that's when the real transformation begins. Sweat today, smile tomorrow. Start your fitness journey now.